Hello students, today our topic is how to calculate the hybridization. We can calculate the hybridization of a center atom in any molecule with the help of this formula. X is equal to 1 and half and V plus Ma minus C plus A. In this formula we find the value of X, but in this formula the Va stand for valence electron. Valence electron meaning total number of electron present in valence cell, where Ma number of monovalent atom, C is number of cation and A is number of anions. So first of all we can calculate the value of X. If you find out the value of X, you can also know the hybridization. Suppose if you have value the X is equal to 2, then the hybridization is Sp. And similarly, if the value of X is 3, then the hybridization is Sp2, right? And so on. So, like this. So, we can understand by the example. Suppose example is CH4, methane, math-A. Okay. X is equal to 1 and half valence electron plus monovalent atom minus cation plus anion. Putting the value of the VE is VE for a methane, find out the center atom. Center atom is a carbon. The electronic configuration of carbon 2 and 4. The valence electron in carbon is 4. Then put the value of VE is 4 plus number of monovalent atom, meaning number of atoms surrounded by the center atom. So there are 4 atoms of hydrogen. Also monovalent atom, the counting monovalent atom is 4, then 4 minus cation. There is no charge of positive, इसके ऊपर कोई positive charge नहीं है, so cation is 0. Also anion meaning carry the negative charge, also 0. Then solve this equation, simplifies 4 plus 4 8 or 8 divided by 2, then 2 4s are 8, then X is equal to 4. Match this value with the help of this table. Where is 4? 4. Girls and boys, 4 in this table. The hybridization is sp3, meaning total number of orbital are used 1s and 3p. The total orbital are used 4. The hybridization is 4. If you know the hybridization, then the another thing you also know, like if hybridization is sp3, then the bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes, and the shape of molecule is tetrahedral. Okay student, so with the help of this formula you can find out the hybridization. If you find the hybridization, you can also known as the shape and bond angle of these molecules. Okay, thank you.